Hello, here is a tricky exponential algebraic equation, and to solve it, since we have 5 to the power of m common, we are going to factor it. And that is 5 to the power of m factored with 1 plus 1, and that's equal to 25, which is 5 to the power of m times 2 equals to 25. Then we divide both sides of the equation by 2. Which is 5 to the power of m is equal to 25 over 2. We then take the logarithm to base 10 of both sides. That is log 5 to the power of m is equal to log 25 over 2. Recall that from the laws of logarithms, the logarithm of x to the power of a is a times the logarithm of x. This is applied to the left hand side of the equation to give m times the logarithm of 5 equals to the logarithm of 25 over 2. By another law of logarithms, we have the logarithm of a over b to be equal to the difference between the logarithm of a and the logarithm of b. Hence, we have m log 5 equals to the logarithm of 25 minus the logarithm of 2, which is m times the logarithm of 5, while the logarithm of 25 can be expressed as the logarithm of 5 to the power of 2, then minus the logarithm of 2. And applying this law, which we have applied before, we'll be having m times the logarithm of 5 equals to 2 times the logarithm of 5 minus the logarithm of 2. After which we divide both sides by the logarithm of 5. So on the left we have the logarithm of 5 cancelling out, and on the right, for the first term, the logarithm of 5 cancel out, which means we are left with m is equal to 2 minus the logarithm of 2 divided by the logarithm of 5. And from another law of logarithm, which is called the change of base, the logarithm of a divided by the logarithm of b is the logarithm of a to base b, and we apply this to the right hand side, such that m is equal to 2 minus the logarithm of 2 to base 5 as the solution to the exponential equation. However, we are going to test the validity of this answer, of the solution, by plugging the value of m, that is 2 minus log 2 to base 5, into the original equation. The original equation is 5 to the power of m plus 5 to the power of m, and that's equal to 25, which can be written as 2 times 5 to the power of m is equal to 25. Then we plug in the value of m, which means we have 2 times 5 to the power of 2 minus log 2 to base 5 being equal to 25, where a to the power of x minus y is a to the power of x times the reciprocal of a to the power of y. That is, we have 2 times 5 to the power of 2 times the reciprocal of 5 to the power of the logarithm of 2 to base 5. And we want to see if this is going to be equal to 25 on the right hand side. Also, it is important to note that a to the power of the logarithm of x to base a is x. Thus, we have 2 times 5 to the power of 2 is 25 times 1 over 2 equals to 25, where 2 cancel out 2, and we have that 25 is equal to 25. Since the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side after checking the solution, it follows that the solution to the equation is m is equal to 2 minus log 2 to base 5. If you find this video helpful, please like and share, and perhaps you're yet to subscribe to my channel. Please kindly do so now. Click on the notification bell so that you get updates from time to time from my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your comments and questions. Bye.